Did you get Junior a present?
Oh, dude, I totally forgot.
Yeah, I did too. Maybe you won't notice.
I hope not.
All right, guys. My dad said we're going to go to Chuck E. Cheese in about 15 minutes.
Oh, yes, dude.
It's going to be awesome.
Right?
So, Junior, you weren't, like, expecting a gift.
Shorty, shut up.
Well, I mean, it is my birthday party, and I love stuff and things. But, I mean, Joseph, you're poor as so I don't expect you to get me anything because you don't have any money.
Oh, yes.
But you, Cody, you're pretty Jewish, so I expect a big present from you.
Yeah, they're loaded.
Yeah, we are pretty loaded, but,
Yeah, but if you don't get me anything, then I'll just take your glasses.
Look, I'd really rather you didn't.
All right, guys, are you ready for your party at
Chuck E. Cheese?
Oh, yeah. Chuck E. Cheese.
Yeah, I'm ready for it. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Dude, it's going to be awesome. Are we going to leave now?
Yeah, let's go.
All right, guys, Chuck E. Cheese. Chuck E. Cheese. Chuck E. Cheese.
Hey, dude, this doesn't look like Chuck E. Cheese.
Yeah, Junior, this is not Chuck E. Cheese.
What? Is Chuck E. Is this Chuck E. Cheese?
Of course it is. It's just being renovated. That's it.
See, guys, it's just being renovated. Chuck E. says Chuck E. Cheese.
Junior, this place is haunted.
It's not haunted. They even have little animatronic things.
Hey there, everybody.
Welcome to the free
Friday
I mean
Chuck
Chuck E. Cheese.
You guys said Chuck E. Cheese.
Yeah. So where's the birthday boy?
I'm right here. How many years old is my birthday?
Oh, congratulations. Well, I'm here to make sure you have a great 8th birthday.
Oh, really?
Yeah. We're going to have lots of fun stuff planned for you, okay?
Okay.
So, first things first, these animatronics do not work.
What? They don't sing happy birthday?
No, I'm afraid not. They're very old and they happen to be broken, so sorry, it's not going to happen. But it's okay. We have plenty of fun stuff planned. We got a lot of games, all kinds of good stuff. But not like normal arcade games like you have at most Chuck E. Cheese. Those are broken.
So no fun?
No, well, I'm going to bring the games to you. Don't worry. We're going to have a lot of fun here, okay?
Okay.
All right, so I'm just going to get stuff started. You wait here, okay?
Okay. Well, see, guys, it is Chuck E. Cheese. It's just
Hey, Junior, look. This is what I got you for your birthday. See, look, it's you getting killed by Freddy, right? See, I didn't have enough money to buy you anything, so I just drew you a picture.
Well, that's just plain wrong.
All right, folks, here's your pizza. What the hell is that? What is this? A specialty deluxe pizza. What kind of pizza is that?
What is it? What's on that thing?
Oh, like pepperoni, cheese, some kind of...
Yeah, there's